Imagine building $1 million startup without hiring a single employee, just a team of 8 AI agents, each working like a human co-founder. Today, I'll show you exactly which AI agents I'd choose, what role they'd play, and how together they could create a $1 million SaaS business step by step. Chapter 1: Why AI agents are the future of startups. Short history of startups teams, coding, long hours. Contrast with today, AI agents as digital employees, the power of combining multiple agents instead of using just one tool. Example: one agent researches, another builds landing pages, another handles customer service. Thesis: with 8 well-picked AI agents, you can build, launch, and scale a SaaS startup faster than traditional teams. Chapter 2: AI agent number 1. The research analyst. This agent scans the internet for trends, problems, and opportunities. Why? Every startup begins with spotting a painful problem. Example: using AI like Perplexity AI or custom GTTS trained to scrape forums, Reddit, Twitter, product hunt. Role: validate demand, map competitors, identify underserved niches. Chapter 3: AI agent number 2. The product architect takes research insights, translates into product blueprint. Think of it like a CTO in your pocket. Tools: ChatGPT plus no-code builder integrations. Bubble, Softer, Glide. Example: writes technical outlines, user flows, database schemas. This ensures you don't waste time coding unnecessary features. Chapter 4: AI agent number 3. The no-code builder. Agent that actually builds your MVP. Platforms: Replit AI, Builder, IO, Bubble AI, or even GitHub Copilot X can automate code generation plus UI design. Example: build a working SaaS dashboard in 1 week instead of 3 months. Human role: just review, tweak, and publish. Chapter 5: AI agent number 4. The copywriter and marketer handles all words, landing page, emails, ad copy, social content. Tools: Jasper AI, Copy.ai, ChatGPT with brand voice fine-tuning. Benefit: consistent tone, fast iterations, SEO-friendly blog posts. Example: launch day generate 20 tweets, 5 LinkedIn posts, 3 blog drafts in minutes. Chapter 6: AI agent number 5. The designer creates visuals, branding, thumbnails, UI mockups. Tools: Midjourney, Ideogram, Canva AI, Figma AI. Example: instead of paying $5,000 for a designer, your AI creates logos, landing page graphics, and even ad creatives. Use case: for SaaS, brand trust equals better conversions. Chapter 7: AI agent number 6. The sales and outreach machine role. Find leads, send cold emails, book demos. Tools: Clay, Instantly.ai, Apollo with AI sequencing. AI personalizes every email 5x higher response. Example: 200 emails or day automated. Human just closes calls. This agent alone could bring your first 100 customers. Chapter 8: AI agent number 7. The customer support rep handles live chat, FAQs, support tickets. Tools: Chatbase, Intercom AI, Zendesk AI, GPT-powered bots. Why important? Retention is more valuable than acquisition. Example: instead of hiring 24/7 support staff, an AI agent resolves 80% of queries instantly. Chapter 9: AI agent number 8. The CFO and growth strategist. Keeps track of revenue, churn, and pricing experiments. Tools: ChatGPT connected to Stripe data plus dashboards. Suggests pricing strategies, points out where to cut costs. Example: noticing 29 plan customers upgrade fastest push mid-tier plan, ensures scaling towards $1 million ARR sustainably. Chapter 10: Step-by-step workflow, how they work together. Walkthrough. Research analyst finds niche pain. Product architect maps solution. No-code builder builds MVP. Designer creates brand plus landing. Copywriter launch messaging. Sales agent brings users. Support agent keeps them happy. CFO agent optimizes revenue. Each agent hands off tasks like an assembly line. Founder role: just orchestrate. Chapter 11: Case study simulation. A $1 million SaaS. Example: startup idea. AI-powered feedback tool for Shopify sellers. Walk through each agent's role building it. Show how in 12 months 1,000 customers paying $99 month equals $99,000 MRR 1 MR. Breakdown of cost savings compared to hiring real team 500K plus versus 5K month in tools. Chapter 12: Mistakes to avoid over relying on AI without human review. Choosing to broaden niche. not validating before building, underpricing SaaS, ignoring customer retention. Chapter 13, the human role, why humans still matter. Vision, decision-making, creativity. AI agents equals co-founders, not replacements. Founder's job: lead, test, pivot. Chapter 14, the $1 million blueprint recap. AI agents equals full digital startup team. Total cost: maybe $5,001 a month in tools. Potential revenue: $1 million year if executed well. No VC money needed, no coding degree required, just persistence and smart use of AI leverage. So there you have it, 8 AI agents that can build you $1 million startup step by step. Which one of these agents would you hire first? Drop it in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and follow for more deep dives on AI plus SaaS.